Here's what you should know about your upcoming delivery, including a few steps you should take to help ensure a seamless experience. Many appliances that are returned are too big to fit into the buyer's home. To avoid this dilemma, use the dimensions of the appliance provided by your sales associate or obtained on Lowes.com. Walk the path the delivery team will take to make sure everything will fit, from the delivery truck to the hookup location. Measure all doorways, hallways, staircases, and other openings, and clear the path of furniture or other obstructions. We may need to remove doors if your new appliance will not fit. Contact Lowe so we can suggest an alternative. Keeping your old appliance? Our delivery team can move it to a new location in your home, or we can haul it away. Just contact Lowe's in advance, and be sure to empty out your old appliance before we arrive. You will be contacted the day before your scheduled delivery to confirm a delivery window. On delivery day, we will contact you en route to your home. Upon arrival, we will confirm the best path to take your appliance. We will remove or relocate the old appliance and inspect the hookup area. New appliances will be unboxed and disassembled if necessary to fit into your home. We will take appropriate steps to protect your appliance and home from damage. This may include taking off refrigerator doors. After connecting your appliance, we will test for functionality before leaving. We will collect all packaging and ring-hang any doors we may have removed. We'll also review your experience with you to ensure all expectations have been met. Make sure you have all accessories needed for your new appliance to work, such as hoses and clamps. Most are sold separately. And remember, you have 30 days from date of purchase to add a Lowe's protection plan to extend beyond the limited manufacturer's warranty. Contact Lowe's for more details. Thank you for choosing Lowe's.